Good morning, everybody. Friends, today we will start loop in Java programming. So, in Java program, how we will use loop? So, before that, we can understand what is loop. What is loop? So, a loop is a control structure that repeats a section of code until the loop condition is reached. After the loop ends, the control of the program passes to the statement following the loop. They are four types. Pre-tested loop, example, while loop. Post-tested loop, do while loop. Fixed execution loop, for loop. Arrays, it just like a table. So first of all, we will understand about loop. Just consider an example. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And after 7 days, days will be repeated again. So, suppose in a month, days will be repeated at least 4 times, because in a month at least 4 weeks. So, day will be in a month, a day will be repeated, a certain day will be repeated at least 4 times. So, it is when a certain process or certain steps will be repeated in fixed number of times or given number of times, in that case whole process is known as loop. I repeat again this: when the certain steps will be repeated in fixed number of times, in that case we will say that it is loop. Now, a month, January to December, and after 12 months, same process will be repeated. Again, January, February, March. So, months will be repeated after 12, and days will be repeated after 7. So, after 7 steps, days will be repeated, or after 12 steps, year will be repeated. In similar, so it is just like a loop. When a certain number of steps will be repeated in fixed number of times or given number of times, in that case the process is treated as loop. Now, there are 4 types. Pre-tested loop. Pre-tested, first of all, condition in this type of loop. Firstly, we will check the condition and then process will be, then proceed for the process. Post-tested loop. In this loop, we can proceed for process firstly and then check the condition. So, it is called post-tested loop. And fixed execution loop, it is fixed number of times, just like a week or a month, or suppose we want to print 100 number of times, in that case the loop will be repeated up to 100 times. So, it is arrays, it is just like a table. So, first of all, we will see how we will use pre-tested loop, that is while loop in Java programming. So we consider here a problem: write a Java program to print even number between 1 and 100. So please write from the board. Now come to the program. Here we start. Open Notepad and type the following program: import.java.util.scanner semicolon public class space even number braces begin public static void main parenthesis begin string space arg square bracket open square bracket close parenthesis close again braces begin int and for the number, so it is integer, we take the category of number is integer. So int initial value of n is 2. Why? Because even number starts from 2. That's why we write initialize its value by 2. Scanner equals to new scanner system in while n is greater than 1 and n equals to 100. That means the value of n is lie between 1 and 101. In that case, again braces begin, system out, print in, this is the series of even number. Here plus n, that means the value of n, first value is 2, so 2 is printed, n equals to scanner dot next int function, and next value, so even number in its increments by 2, in its increments its value by 2. So we write here, now consider here import.java.util.scanner semicolon public class space even number braces begin public space static space void space main within parenthesis a string space args square bracket begin square bracket close parenthesis close braces begin int n equals to 2. Here the value of n is 2 here, so now it became 0 and n equals to n plus 2, so 0 plus 2 n became 2. Scanner new scanner system dot in semicolon while n is greater than 1 and n equals to 100. Braces system dot how dot print in, this is the series of even number plus n, that means the value of n is 2, n equals to scanner dot next int. Next int means n plus 2 plus 2, n became 4, and this process is repeated, and when n is equals to 100, break is the statements for terminating the while loop. So after break statement, after when the value of n is equals to 100, then we write here break, and after break this braces is closed and this braces is closed and this braces is closed. So in this program we have done an error. So you should identify them and then save it with by the name of even-number.java. and then save it and exit from Notepad. Click on the command prompt, go to the command prompt and compile the program by typing javac space even-number.java and press enter. As soon as you press enter, if your program contains error, that will be displayed. In that case, you will again go back to the Notepad and remove the error, again save the program and again compile it. When your program became error free, in that case you will execute the program by typing cprompt java space even-number interpress. As soon as you press it, even number 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on up to 100 will be displayed on your screen. So if you want to continue with Java class, please follow my first part, second part and third part also, so that you can easily understand this fourth part. So you should write from the board. Thank you.